The treasure crystal starts glowing!
Oh no, no, what do we see? The waterfall lost colors, gee. Where did all the colors go? Let's find out and help them flow. Rainbow water, splash, splash, splash. Follow clues and make a dash. Jump and clap and search today. Let's bring colors back our way. The red crystal hides near a tree.
This is going to
Can you help and count to 3? Look around and point today. Red will help us save the day. Yellow crystal shines so bright, glowing in the warm sunlight. March along and sing with me. Yellow waits beside the sea. Blue crystal sparkles in a cave. Wave hello